Hello YouTube. Like I said before, I was getting the tint done and I think it came out pretty good. It's the darkest tint I can get in the back and the darkest tint I can get legally on the sides. I got a new windshield put in. I can't wash the car for at least 3 days, but it turned out pretty good. It definitely matches with the tinted headlights. And there you go. Limousine tint in the front. And I think 15s on the sides. Thought it turned out pretty good. More videos to come, including quad tips for the exhaust and some other stuff. Until then, I'll see you.